how to draw a symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a drilling rig. Let's start off by drawing the tracks of a long rectangle shape with rounded corners. Also, have the upper left and upper right corners angled inward like so. Then, draw two big circles at either end, with two horizontal lines connecting them. On top, draw two short lines sticking straight up from the tracks. And above the right side, draw a long rectangle for the machinery, followed by a tall rectangle above the left side for the cab that the operator sits in. Inside the tall rectangle, draw a smaller rectangle with some thinner lines for a door. And in this space here, draw a really small rectangle for a window, and a square inside the door for another window. Lastly, finish off the door with a small oval here for the door handle. To start the drilling arm, draw a line coming up like so from the cab that angles out like this. Then, repeat that above the cab with a rounded end that meets the first line here. At the top, draw a rectangle behind the arm like so. Next, we can draw the drill. First, a line coming down. A parallel line coming down here, but stopping shorter, and a short line at an angle to close out the shape. From the corner here, draw a line out to the left that turns and sweeps up and around like so. Then, a similar shape underneath, but shorter and slightly smaller. Two lines coming down, an angled line to close it, and a sweeping line going up and around. Do that a couple more times, each slightly smaller than before until you get to a point. Next, we can add some details. Draw a circle here at the top of the arm for the axle that lets the drill turn. Then, from the top of the drill, a line going out to the right that curves back and down to the arm like so, with another small circle at the end too. From the end, add two parallel lines coming down towards the cab, with a small rectangle shape underneath the curved piston. In the wide rectangle at the back, add a few horizontal lines for some bends. And to the left of that, a smaller square with a vertical line for a cabinet. Lastly, a small bent rectangle above, with some smoke coming out of it. And now you've got a drilling rig. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.